All right, let's dive right in. Today we're going to talk about something that could totally change how you think about your own potential. We're going to break down why that one place you feel the most safe, your comfort zone, might actually be the most dangerous place you could possibly be.
Wow. Okay, right out of the gate, we get hit with this incredibly powerful idea. The source material does not mess around. It's basically saying that everything we think of as safe and secure is really just a trap. It's the slow decay that we don't even notice happening. It's a huge idea, so let's really unpack it.
So first things first, we've got to tackle what's called the comfort zone deception. We're going to peel back the curtain on all the promises of an easy life and see what's really going on underneath.
And just look at this contrast. On the one hand, you have the promise, right? Safety, ease, security. It all sounds great. But then you look at the reality and it's a completely different story. That feeling of safety, it's a slow death. That ease you're chasing, it just leads to procrastination. And that security, well, it's just stagnation in disguise. This completely reframes everything we think we want.
And this just hits right at the heart of it, doesn't it? This is basically the theme song of the comfort zone. That little voice that says, I'll do it tomorrow. We keep putting off the hard stuff, telling ourselves we'll get to it later. But deep down, we know that tomorrow is just a fantasy we create to stay exactly where we are today.
Okay, let's build on this idea. We're moving from the myth of comfort to the very real danger of just staying put. The argument here is that doing nothing, not changing a thing, is actually the biggest risk you can possibly take.
You know, this is such an important question to ask yourself. We spend so much time and energy trying to avoid feeling uncomfortable, even for a moment. But have you ever really stopped to think about the alternative? About the truly terrifying prospect of not changing at all? Of being in the exact same place a year from now, or 5 years from now?
Yeah, the language here is strong for a reason. The whole point is to flip our fear response completely on its head. It's saying, hey, instead of being afraid of what might happen if you change, you should be absolutely terrified of what will happen if you don't.
Seriously, just think about it for a second. Think about any time in your life you really grew as a person. When you learned a new skill, got stronger, became more resilient. Did any of that happen when things were easy? Or did it happen when you were challenged? This is presented as a fundamental truth. You just can't have growth and ease at the same time. They can't coexist.
So, if comfort is just another word for stagnation, what's the answer? Well, this next part is all about the solution. It's about how leaning into discomfort is the actual engine that drives personal transformation.
So what are we really talking about when we say transformation? It's not about jumping into reckless danger. It's a deliberate process. It's about facing the things that scare you, adapting to that challenge, and then evolving because of it. I love how it's described here. It's not danger. It's you being pulled toward your potential. And discomfort is the force that's doing the pulling.
And here's the roadmap, laid out nice and simple. It all starts with step 1. You have to consciously choose to step into a place you've never been before. That very action forces you to face your fears. And when you do that, you have no choice but to adapt, to evolve. And that right there is the path to unlocking the life you actually want.
Okay, so this is where it all comes together. We've seen the trap of the comfort zone, and we've seen the path that leads out. Now let's talk about the one single ingredient that's absolutely essential to making that first move.
This is pretty much the final verdict, isn't it? Greatness in anything. Whether it's your skills, your character, your accomplishments, it just isn't made in an easy environment. It's forged in the fire of a challenge. It's created by discomfort, and there are zero exceptions to that rule. So what kicks this all off? What's the catalyst? It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's not about having a perfect plan. It comes down to one single, deliberate act of will. It's the courage to look at your comfortable little world and decide, on purpose, to destroy it, to step outside. That is where your new life begins.
And that leaves us with this, a final, powerful question aimed right at you. This isn't some big, abstract idea anymore. It's about taking action. So, what is one small, comfortable routine, one little avoidance tactic that you have the courage to break, starting right now? The answer to that question could be the beginning of, well, everything.